somebody. Here I am, Lord. You can use me. If the Lord needs anyone to do His will, here I am, Lord. Your humble servant, command me, Lord, and I'll obey. Lord, I do what it is that you say. Oh Lord, use me. Here I am. Oh Lord, use me, Lord. Use me. I submit to you. Yeah, yeah. Me too. Here I am. Oh Lord, use me. Lord, if you need someone, yeah, to tear down your swords that you real, here I am, Lord.